Has Apple finally decided to shake things up, or is this just another design experiment? Recent leaks suggest that the iPhone 17 Pro could feature a major change in its rear camera setup, one that bears a striking resemblance to Google's Pixel phones. This has sparked discussions among Apple fans and tech enthusiasts. Apple has always maintained a signature design, keeping its devices clean, simple, and easily recognizable. But now reports claim that the next iPhone series might introduce a camera layout similar to the Pixel 9. This raises the question, why is Apple considering this move, and what could it mean for the brand? Over the years, Apple has been consistent with its iPhone designs. Unlike competitors like Samsung, which frequently experiment with new aesthetics, Apple has largely stuck to its classic look. The flat edges, symmetrical design, and camera placement have become a part of its identity. Some see this as a sign of stability, while others believe it has made iPhones predictable. However, if the latest leaks are accurate, the iPhone 17 could take a bold step, especially when it comes to its camera module. Reports suggest that the iPhone 17 Air might feature a horizontal camera bump that stretches across the back of the device. This would be a big departure from the square-shaped camera module seen on recent iPhones. The design closely resembles Google's Pixel lineup, which has been using a horizontal camera bar for years. This immediately raises speculation. Why would Apple adopt a style so closely associated with a rival? Some believe it's an attempt to refresh the iPhone's appearance without making drastic changes, while others worry that it could make the device less distinct. However, Apple isn't just copying the Pixel. According to insiders, Apple's version of the horizontal camera bar will have its own unique touch. Unlike the Pixel's raised camera bump, Apple's design is expected to blend seamlessly into the phone's body. The camera island might be made of glass and slope smoothly into the aluminum frame rather than standing out as a separate element. From a distance, it may look similar to the Pixel, but up close, it will still reflect Apple's signature polished aesthetic. Another interesting report suggests that Apple might move away from titanium, which was introduced with the iPhone 15 Pro to make the device lighter and more durable. While titanium was marketed as a premium upgrade, new rumors indicate that Apple could return to aluminum for the iPhone 17 series. This shift could be a cost-saving measure or aim at streamlining production. However, users who appreciated the premium feel of titanium might not be thrilled about this change. So, what does all of this mean for the future of the iPhone? On one hand, Apple is staying true to its core philosophy, maintaining a sleek and high-quality design. Even if the new camera layout seems different, Apple is likely ensuring that it still fits within its established design language. On the other hand, this could mark a shift in Apple's approach. The iPhone has always had a distinct identity, and adopting a Pixel-like camera bump could be seen as a departure from its tradition. In my opinion, Apple didn't necessarily need to make this change. The iPhone is already one of the most recognizable smartphones in the world. While updating the design is understandable, moving toward a Pixel-inspired look could blur the line between the two brands. That being said, this is still based on leaks, and Apple is known for surprising its audience. It wouldn't be shocking if these rumors turn out to be exaggerated or even a strategic move by Apple to gauge public reaction. At the end of the day, while design changes can be interesting, what truly matters is the overall user experience. Whether this redesign excites or disappoints fans, Apple's real challenge will be ensuring that the iPhone 17 delivers meaningful improvements in performance and functionality. What do you think? Is Apple making a smart move by experimenting with its design, or should it stick to its classic look? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech news. Samsung has been leading the foldable phone market for years, but one feature has always been missing: that built-in S Pen. While that might not change with the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7, recent leaks hint that Samsung is making improvements to the S Pen itself. Unlike the recent downgrade of the S Pen on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, this new update might actually enhance the writing experience, making it smoother and more natural. According to leaks from tipster at Panaflash Pro, Samsung is developing a redesigned S Pen with a different tip that could provide a better feel when writing or sketching. The stylus is also expected to be slightly thicker, making it more comfortable to hold for longer periods. Reports suggest that mass production for this new S Pen will begin in June 2025, aligning with the Galaxy Z Fold 7's anticipated launch in July. However, since this information is based on leaks, it's best to wait for official confirmation before getting too excited. One big question remains: will this new S Pen be the same size as previous models, or will it be closer to the larger S Pen Pro? It's also unclear whether Samsung will include Bluetooth functionality for air actions and gesture controls, features that have been present in earlier versions of the stylus. Beyond the S Pen, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to come with several key upgrades. Reports indicate that Samsung might increase the display sizes, with the cover screen expanding to 6.5 inches and the main foldable display reaching 8 inches. The crease in the foldable screen is also expected to be less noticeable, giving users a smoother and more immersive experience. Additionally, Samsung is reportedly working on making these displays more power efficient, which could have a positive impact on battery life. When it comes to the camera system, Samsung might not introduce significant hardware changes. The device is expected to feature a 200-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto sensor. On the front, it could house a 12-megapixel selfie camera, similar to what's found on the Galaxy S25 series. While these specifications are solid, it's unclear if Samsung will introduce major software improvements to enhance image quality. Performance-wise, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, ensuring a fast and smooth experience. The base model is expected to come with at least 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of internal storage. Samsung will likely ship the device with One UI 7, which should introduce the latest software optimizations and new features. Battery life has always been a concern with foldable phones, and Samsung doesn't seem to be making drastic changes in this area. The battery capacity is expected to remain the same, but the phone could support faster 45-watt charging. Additionally, it may be Qi 2 ready, which could improve wireless charging efficiency when paired with compatible accessories. Despite all these rumored enhancements, one thing remains the same. There's still no built-in slot for the S Pen. Many users have been asking for this feature for years, but it looks like Samsung is sticking with its current design approach. While the new S Pen might offer a better experience, users will still have to carry it separately or use a case that holds the stylus. So does the Galaxy Z Fold 7 look like a major upgrade? That depends on what you prioritize. If you're looking for a better S Pen experience, a larger display, and improved power efficiency, this could be an exciting release. But if you were hoping for a built-in S Pen or major battery life improvements, you might not find this model groundbreaking. What are your thoughts on these rumored upgrades? Would you consider upgrading to the Galaxy Z Fold 7, or are you waiting for something even better? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.
The battle for the best mid-range smartphone just got more interesting. Apple has launched the iPhone 16e, a more affordable version of the iPhone 16 starting at $599. With that lower price comes a few compromises. It doesn't include MagSafe or Qi 2 wireless charging, lacks an ultra-wide-angle camera, skips the dedicated camera shutter button, and doesn't feature the dynamic island. Meanwhile, Google is preparing to release the Pixel 9a, rumored to launch in March for $499, making it at least $100 cheaper. Both phones aim to attract buyers in the mid-range segment, but each has its own strengths and weaknesses. One of the biggest differences between these two devices is the display. The Pixel 9a is expected to feature a 120Hz OLED screen, which makes scrolling and animations feel much smoother than the 60Hz panel on the iPhone 16e. It also offers a higher brightness level, with a full screen brightness of 1,800 nits and an HDR peak of 2,700 nits. This should make it easier to see outdoors and improve video playback. When it comes to cameras, Google's phone may have an edge. The iPhone 16e comes with a single rear camera, while the Pixel 9a is rumored to include a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, allowing users to